How to turn off camera and microphone, use notifications on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off notifications of camera and microphone use. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google, click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications. Scroll down again and click on camera and microphone. Now you have the first option, which is show notifications. You can turn off or on this option wherever you want. For example, turn off this option, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.